Good day all. This is Dr. Aparna, fertility specialist, Garbhagudi IVF Center, Kalyan Nagar branch. Today's topic of discussion is thin endometrium. So you would have come across this common terminology. What is endometrium, endometrial thickness, what should be the optimum endometrium during your IVF journey. Before embryo transfer or during your IUI procedures, we usually monitor how is your endometrial thickness. Endometrium is the lining inside the womb which is important for the embryo to hold and give nutrition to it for it to grow successfully. So optimal endometrial thickness is around 8 to 10 mm. Along with the thickness, what are all the other factors important are how is the pattern of the endometrium, how is the blood supply into the endometrium during the embryo transfer. What are all the causes for this thin endometrium? If there is any infections before, if the infections like tuberculosis, if there is pelvic inflammatory diseases or hydrosalpinx or infections in the tube can result in thin endometrium. If the uterus is bulky, that is called adenomyotic uterus. If there is fibroids issue in the uterus, it can result in thin endometrium. If there is any uterine surgery for fibroid removal or miscarriage, DNE or DNCs were done for heavy menstrual bleeding, then also it can result in thin endometrium. So whenever the fertility specialist encounters thin endometrium, we do evaluate what are all the causes and treat appropriately. So whenever we encounter thin endometrium, your fertility specialist will evaluate each step, what could be the cause and treat appropriately. The most common investigation what we do is hysteroscopy to evaluate inside the womb and correct if any known causes or correctable causes for thin endometrium. Evaluate your womb for any infections and treat accordingly. After that, we can even inject regenerative medicines like PRP, granulosa increased colony stimulating factor, and stem cell therapy can be given in whom there is a resistant thin endometrium to improve the lining. Thank you.